Windows and exterior doors are an important part of any home, but they can be potential weak spots in a bad storm or hurricane. In home construction, the load of the roof flows through vertical posts called wall studs. However, a wall or door opening breaks that flow. A properly built opening distributes the load around the window or door and to the foundation. Openings have a header, several special studs, and window openings will have a sill. The header goes at the top of the opening to protect the window or door from the roof load. Correctly built headers look like boxes. For typical homes, it is best to use 2x6s. Each end of the header is supported from the floor by jack studs. It is important that a jack stud is continuous and does not get cut to accommodate a sill. Jack studs go from the base of the wall to the bottom of the header. King studs go on either side of the frame. King studs must be continuous from the base of the wall all the way to the top of the wall. They should not be broken by the header or sill. The sill plate goes at the bottom of a window opening to complete the framing of openings for windows. Cripple studs support the sill from the ground. There should be at least one inside each jack stud and one every 16 inches. Cripple studs are also at the top, from the top of the header to the top of the wall, and should be spaced the same. The outside cripple studs, the jack studs, and the king studs should all be tied together by nailing two 20-penny nails through them in every 12 inches. Before starting construction on window and door openings, be sure that you check the specifications of your windows and doors with your builder to make sure they will fit correctly. Every window and door is a little different, and the strength of your walls depends on proper framing for and installation of all windows and doors. For more information and detailed window opening diagrams, download the free Build Back Better manual by scanning this QR code. Ask your building control officer or a licensed engineer if you need more help. All inspections are free in Abaco and Grand Bahama following Hurricane Dorian.